You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this rather confusing name of this English poet. If you want to learn more confusing names from literature, stay tuned. I've got more videos you can learn from. Caedmon. Yes, I know some people may pronounce it as Caedmon, and I think even Google references it as being pronounced Caedmon, at least as I'm recording. But no, in English it's pronounced Caedmon. Caedmon, not Caedmon. Caedmon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.